Hi, this is Michael from ABCDEF. I'm going to demonstrate the basic operation of the project, filter, and edit utility available on the LabVIEW tools network. I've already opened a project here containing over 1,400 items. Let's look at some of the settings. Here are the object types that it supports, only some of which are enabled. And these are the 19 columns that can be displayed. We'll go through some of these features and edit some of them here. Also, the matching of the case is turned off, include dependencies is on, and I want my edits to be saved and closed automatically. I can sort the columns just to make it easier to find what I'm looking for. Here, we're going to start off by looking for a runtime menu path that was created in an earlier project and included in the template VIs. So it's included in a lot of the VIs in this project, but that runtime menu does not exist in this project. It is missing. So I want to find a runtime menu path that is not blank. Here's filter. So here I have 70 VIs containing a file that is not included in this project, and you can see it's available in multiple locations. This would be very hard to correct in the project because I can only find them one flavor at a time, and to edit these 70 files would require over 500 mouse clicks, probably taking 30 to 40 minutes. I'm going to edit this by removing it. I will select all and edit. Here we can see the edit as it occurs and the progress down here. Again, this operation would require over 500 mouse clicks, and it's all done here in under a minute. Done. Now we also notice over here the VI description has some unusual text. If I was giving this project to a customer, I would be concerned about this descriptive message here about use as template. So let's go here to the VI description, and I want to find that it starts with use this template to build. Now I have 142 VIs containing that text. I could easily replace that with something else, or I could remove it entirely. I'm not going to do that here. I'm just going to go on with the other features. Let's say I want to know which ones have a VI description that is blank. If I want to document this project, I could go through each VI and add a description, or I can select by groups and add some template text here for each group, simplifying the process dramatically. Let's say I'm looking at performance, or even cleaning up my project. Let's look at execution state and find what contains the word bad. Here I have 106 VIs in my project that are bad. Coincidentally, some of these are not the current version of LabVIEW. They're probably old code that could be removed from the project. Let's also look for a VI version less than 12. Here I have 283 VIs that are not the current version of LabVIEW. Now I'm going to show another feature here that's, for simplicity, I'm going to turn off the runtime menu and the VI description because I've already shown those. Over here I have VIs that are in memory. So I'm going to find VIs in memory is blank or 0. 475 VIs are not in memory. These also may be VIs that are either called dynamically or simply not used. Now let's look at some performance issues. Allow debugging is a feature that is great if you're trying to troubleshoot your code, but this application is run in the editor, and to leave allow debugging on all the time is going to take a performance hit. almost 1,200 of these VIs have allowed debugging turned on. I could here turn them all off at the same time and then turn them on selectively as I'm troubleshooting. Let's also look at another one. Data size greater than 1 million bytes. Now I know from experience that when I was trying to make this project compile smaller, I looked at some of the data in some of these VIs. This one right here is 5 million bytes of data size. That turned out to be a large array on the front panel that was saved. Once I removed that, that VI was under 20K. One last item. Let's look at reentrancy. I want to know, is reentrancy turned on? So 176 of my VIs are reentrant. I also want to know if the reentrancy type starts with pre-allocate. Now I'm going to filter in, which allows me to combine these two searches together. So now I see 68 items. We'll go over here just to show reentrant turned on, pre-allocate. Now some of these VIs might be a good candidate to be set for shared to save memory. And I can look at that one by one, either by opening the VIs or doing it separately with the next button. So that has been a basic explanation of the project and filter utility. Thank you for choosing ABCDF.